Shooter indicates ready, stand by.
With me now is Surefire's Barry Dueck. Barry, one of the things I love about 3D gun competition is looking at all the gear people come up with to put on these guns, and you see a lot of guys going to a big optic on top, and they want something else, that secondary sight system, so they can really run and gun them for those close targets. And you've developed your own. Tell me about it.
I have. This is actually the Dueck Defense sight system. It's patent pending. What we've done is ran the sights at a 45-degree angle off the 12 o'clock Picatinny rail. When I developed this, I was trying to solve my own problem. And I loved running a good magnified optic, but on the really close targets, or the targets I'm moving fast, going past, found out I could shoot them better with standard M16 sight. So I ended up starting to work with the front, and then as I did that, I started experimenting with the rear and found out that you aren't actually losing anything. You're running your sights. Your pistol grip on the bottom simply pivots 45 degrees over, and you go from being on your primary to being on your secondary. And
It's pretty instinctive.
it's unbelievably instinctive, and also, for one, everyone that's ever been in the military is used to looking at a front sight that looks exactly like that and a rear sight. And these are all the same components, because I do have operators downrange that are evaluating these and using them right now. And one of their big things is if they have some special favorite front sight, they can still use it. If they got a special rear sight aperture, they can still use it because it's compatible with all their existing gear. And if something would get damaged, everything's readily replaceable.
And your background too, former Marine, now you're with Surefire, building suppressors, building muzzle brakes. You're a top level competitor too, so there's a lot of experience with all the people you have around you with everything that you got going on. Going into this product, seems like a winner, man.
It's a product that's solving an issue that nobody had solved correctly.